Hey YouTube fam, thank you so much for choosing my channel. This is Asani Beauty coming to you with another video. It's not a tutorial today. My awesome daughter came home over the weekend from college and she allowed me to make her face up, you guys. We had such a wonderful time and I wanted to share this experience with you. It was so awesome that I even interviewed her. I thought it was so cute. Stick around for a listen to her assessment on my makeup skills. Okay, now tell me, how was your experience as a potential client with me doing your makeup? How did I do on a scale of 1 to 3, with 1 being the worst and 3 being the best? And you can do 0.5s.
Okay. I'll do a 2.5 because you did very good, but it's always something that you can do better.
Okay.
It just took a very long time. I fell asleep in the chair. But other than that, it was real good. The only thing is the eyelashes, because I don't really wear them, so it's kind of hard to make it fit like my eyes.
Gotcha.
Since I don't wear them. And then wasn't that like your first time
putting
it on? But it was good. Like you can't see them, and then they're actually on my eyelash, like my eyelashes instead of my lids, like how other people put them on and they're like on the lid of your eye instead of on your lash line.
Okay.
And if I put them on myself, they'll be on the lid. But you did very good.
Thank you. Any other feedback?
Nope.
All right.
Perfect.
Thank you so much.